Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a code for current active cases in our India, right? So as per now, as on 21st July 2020, we have 4 lakhs 2,529 active cases are there. So at the same time, we have 7 lakhs 24,577 discharge cases also there, right? This is as per the Indian government. The same way we can check with a Python code. So let's get started. I will open my Jupyter notebook. So let's jump to the Jupyter notebook. So this is my Jupyter notebook, right? So before going to write the code, we have to install the library name as COVID, right? For that, I will open my Anaconda prompt. Here, I will install my library known as pip install COVID. Okay, this is a library. So I have already installed. So it will show requirement already satisfied. That's fine. So if you are not installed, just write this code in your command prompt. You can install the library, right? So let's get started. So first, I will import the library. So I'll type from COVID import COVID. So I'm going to import the libraries. So that thing we installed recently, right? So next, so I will use COVID is equal to COVID. One second. Yeah, COVID, right? So next, so I want overall cases. So I'm going to use a variable name as cases is equal to from the COVID dot get. So we want the result, right? Dot get. So underscore. So I will use status again underscore by country name underscore yeah name. So here I want India. India is a string. So I'm using India, right? So I want India's details, current details of COVID. So here we want to print that. That's why I'm using the for loop here for X in cases. Now print, open the bracket. So here I'm writing X, comma. So I want now, it should be neat. So that's why I'm using the colon here, comma. I want cases that should be in a details. So I'm using X here. So this is my simple code. Using this 5-line code, we can get the details. Let's run the code. So I'll run the code. It's loading. Yeah, see. So as per this, our country ID is equal to 27. Our country name is India. Confirmed cases are 11 lakhs 55,338 and active cases are 4 lakhs 2,678. Small difference. Okay, so this is as of 21st July 2020 on morning 8 o'clock, right? Next, overall death 28,082. So here we'll check this. So 28,084. A little difference. That's fine. And similarly, suppose I want, Italy or Brazil or something. Let's try US. Okay. Again, I'll run the code. Okay. So US ID is equal to 18. Country is US. Then overall confirmed cases are 38 lakhs 30,010 and active cases are 25 lakhs 79,942. So here you can see the last update as well. So this is the how we can check the current cases in the world. So let's try with Italy. Let's run the code. Oh my god, yeah. So ID is equal to 11, Country name is Italy. The confirmed cases are 2,44,624 and actives are 12,404. I hope this is clear. This is very simple example. So this video I'm making on 21st July 2020. So this is live update. You can try anytime. If you try tomorrow also, you'll get the different cases based on the recent changes. I hope this is clear. So I'm just giving the details in the description also how to install the COVID library in your Anaconda prompt, right? So that's all, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.